Hey, it's me again. Welcome back to Apprentice Marks. My name is John, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do something really simple. My buddy Derek was by for a couple of weekends working on some end tables. That was in the previous video. Check out the link below if you haven't seen that yet. And while he was at it, he decided to make his wife a gift for their anniversary that just passed. This gift is an oak live edge bench with hairpin legs. I think they call them hairpin legs. I love this project because it's super simple. All you gotta do is get yourself a slab of oak. We got this one down at our local hardwood shop for about $100. And a set of these legs. Now, you can find them all over the place. We got them on Amazon, so we paid through the nose for shipping. They were about $100, but you can get them for cheaper than that if you look around, especially at fine woodworking stores. Basically, you just take this live edge and you strip it all down, you sand it all smooth, you put a finish on it, you screw the legs on the bottom, and you're fucking done. That's our cut line. Yeah. So now we need to move our straight edge an inch and a half in off of the cut line. Inch and a half in off of the cut. That's right. Yeah, did you dust mask, buddy? This is great, I just get to stand around and watch you work. For this project, we used wipe-on polyurethane. It's one of my favorites. It's a dead easy, idiot-proof finish to put on. You just wipe it on with a rag, wait until it's dry to the touch, and then sand with 000 steel wool between coats. We laid it on 3 or 4 coats. Something like that. This is an inside bench, so it doesn't need a huge amount of protection, but it's going to have asses on it that are rubbing around in jeans and such, so you definitely want to have something on the wood to keep it looking good. And that's about it for this project. Honestly, it is dead simple. It's so easy to do that while we were at it, we grabbed another thinner chunk of live edge and we did the same routine. Just kind of cleaning it up, sanding it down, squaring off the back and sides. And this thing is going to become a shelf that sits over top of the bench. So that's it for this one. The point of this video really is just to encourage you to pick up some tools and give this kind of shit a shot, you know? I really do believe that anybody can build this thing. I get tons of comments from people that are like, oh, well, you got all these tools and shit, and it's easy for you to say to me, never mind that garbage. If you can afford a saw of any kind, you can make this project. Get out there and give it a shot. That's it for me on this one. I've been John, and this has been Apprentice Marks. If you want to get in touch with me, of course, comments down below, or hit me up on Instagram or Twitter. I am at Apprentice Marks on both spots. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.